Hello everyone! For today's video, magluluto ako ngayon ng binignit. So here's my ingredients. May saba tayo na saging, coconut, kamote, asukal, gabi, glutinous rice, landang, sagu, at saka vanilla. So yung inuuna natin pala is yung saba na saging. Sinunod ko na rin yung kamote at saka binalatan. At pagkatapos kong binalatan, hiniwa ko na siya into small pieces. By the way, hindi ko na pala sinali yung gabi kasi after kong binalatan yung gabi, I feel so itchy in my two hands. So when I tried to eat the gabi, even I not yet cook it, I feel so itchy in my throat when I swallow it. Kaya hindi ko na lang talaga sinama yung gabi. Let's start cook. I'm done preparing all ingredient needs for binignit. After pala paglunod ko ng kamote, hindi ko pala na lagyan yung dalawang landang, yung pink at saka puti. Na direct na lang siya ng coconut. I'm so amazed when I saw the colorful of the sagu kasi yun yung nagdala ng kagandahan sa binignit. So this is it, my binignit I made.